In today's fun video, we're going to go bowling with tractors and a monster truck. But make sure you stay to the end because we have a special surprise with a big tractor. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, Wally, you up first. Make sure you aim for the middle pin to get them all. All right, I see you. Let's go. Oh, you left two. Back up and see if you can get them. You got them all, Wally. Good job. Good job, Wally. Good job.
I'm gonna get them.
Okay, Daphne, it's your turn. Let's see if you can get them all on the first time. Let's go. She got them all. Yeah. Okay, Wally, let's get the monster truck out and see if we can knock them all down with it. You ready? Set, go. Let's go. Oh, you got half of them, Wally. Okay, Wally, let's drive the monster truck into the pins. See if you can get the last three, Wally. Get them backwards. Keep going. Keep at it, Wally. High five. Give me a high five. Good job. Okay, Daphne, it's your turn. Do you think you can get them all in the first time?
I don't know.
I think you can. Let's give it a try. Oh, almost. Come back and get the last two. Good job, Daphne. Good job. Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, you know how I said we had a special surprise at the end with the big tractor? Well, kids, follow me. Let's pop it, Wally. I'll hold it. Oh, you got it. Okay, Daphne, let's go. Let's pop it. Oh! I'm glad y'all stayed to the end because now we're going to use the big tractor to pop the balloons. And remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Y'all ready? Are you ready, Wally? You ready? Okay, kids, it's y'all's turn. Let's see if you can get the rest of them. Come on.
Who's gonna go first?
You go ahead, Daphne.
I'm kind of stuck.
Keep going, keep going.
I think that's all I can get. I gotta move it. Now it's Wally's turn. We got more blown away.
Get it, Wally.
Ah, that's so loud.
Dixie, you get one.